Inu ni Mutongoi TV. Sasa ya bilingi wa mauvo
watindata musesi ya mwendo kalibu ndini wa mesa ya bilingi wa mauvo mwendo ni wa saa 3:30 nyeni tawamasiwa kitaka nolo kukunengilele mauvo kwanzia ya meko ni Teresia Mwendetu ambao kwa tamwe kati wa mauvo wala tumanengete uito
ala tukumbanesye ne bamwe na
President William Ruto ni waambisia rasmi utiti wa Raila kuitia kivila cha mwene kivila wangwata niyo ya ndisi ya Afrika. Mutongoi wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka yasini wogose ya mwana wa kutongoesya uleye thiwa Raila no kuthukumata mwene kivila wa AU. Mujumbe wa Kangundo Fabian Chule kwenda atongo ima mandenzia za hosia kwa ilia ukamba na kuveta uteti wa Wiper. Na muvya wa uima wa mwima kuwene kutumangama na mutula edhi wana ivinda yumu kuelesea enendi yulu wa maunduma uima wa mwi kauntine
bilingi wa mauvo
ni na udhocha ingi. President William Ruto ni wabingwa wala ni uwi mwana wa kumukwata mbau mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga taweho kukitia kivila cha mwene kivila wa ngwata niyo ya ndisi ya Afrika kana AU ni ndini wa kikalo kilaki vikitwa ni ma president kivadhuka nyo ndini wa state house ya musini wa Iluvi. Ruto ni wa mukadhi ya vanene Raila aiweta tawewi na utuweka muyanu wakosa mwana o Raila na kini wone kana ke aiweta kana nukudhukuma undu utona kuyanisya udhukumi mwailu ile mbetani ya Afrika. Libo chumani Joseph Kidega.
President William Ruto niwe thaitongo SSS nene ya kuvingwa kampeni cia kumukonia maleve mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga kukita kivila cha AU usakwanini ula ukite wa kivila ki.
We are going to be launching the Raila Odinga for AUC chairmanship.
Ainene acha thini kine kila chetha kiitwa hivyo manene ya serikali. Ruto niwe thaikathia muno muvinzani wake usakwani mvetu wa 2022 aiweta Raila ta mutongoi we yumite muno na wona nisetenekana etha na ngoi yotongoi na yune vinde vikio kilikivendela cha nthi ya Kenya kuthi nthi sianza.
We believe that offering a highly qualified, experienced and competent candidate to lead the Africa Union Commission is perfectly consistent with our commitment to the transformation of our continent through our institution of Pan-African unity. The Honorable Raila Odinga is a celebrated statesman whose longevity in leadership has been sustained by an unrelenting devotion to democratic change as the foundation of sustainable freedom and prosperity. The Honorable Raila Odinga possesses the professional capacity and experience, a proven track record of transformative leadership, and a wide experience of accomplishments at the national and regional levels.
The people of Kenya have been united to a man by the candidature of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga to be the chairperson of the African Union Commission. This is a quest that has brought pride to our nation.
Ngaliko yake mutongo withitwe wolikwa ilungu yasa ni waweta ni yumiti hetha kosa kivila ki kuvindwa uthio wa nthi cia Afrika kwivo kuthinikia muno maundu ala methitwe maivithukia nthi ii ta uvinduku wa nzeve Zambingi ondu mona mawuke vithukanio na kuikithia nthi ila ciithitwe ikunika muno ni uvinduku wa nzeve kuma kundu kungi ni cietha yivwa andu mo.
I envisage an Africa where our visionary sloganeering will translate into strategic action for the transformation of our continent. Unfortunately, even as we rise, our continent still grapples with emerging challenges and vulnerabilities, including identity conflicts and wars, hunger, poverty, violent extremism, advanced climate change, acute unemployment among our youth, transboundary pandemics and infectious diseases such as mpox and other threats to human security and dignity. My plan is to work with you, Your Excellencies, and make the AU more people-centered and serve the interests of the vast voiceless majority of Africans.
Atongoria la mevikite cha thini kini vamwe na president wa nthi ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni, wa Tanzania Mama Suluhu Hassan, wa South Sudan Salva Kiir, ulawe president wa Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo, ulawe wa Tanzania Jakaya Kikwete, kati wa ndongo ingile situmitwe ni atongo imogo kwa tambau iseso ye.
Raila, historically speaking, has been on the side of patriotism within Kenya here. There are some individuals in Raila's group who I don't think know what they are doing. You know, I am a consumer of intelligence services. So I always see intelligence service reports. There's a character called Babu. I always see Babu. Dealing with anti-Ugandan group, anti-NRM groups in Ugandans. So I had never chosen him, but now I am choosing Babu.
I have known Right Honorable Raila Odinga for many years, and his Pan-African commitment and his consistency is admirable.
You will do more than that. You will make Africa proud. You will make Africa powerful. You will make Africa peaceful.
Kivila kicha AU Raila idha isinda na ndongo ingi siande ingi Evo Mohamed Ali Yusuf wa Djibouti, Richard Radia Madreto wa Madagascar na Anil Gayana wa Mauritius.
I have said that I'm an Afro-optimist as opposed to Afro-pessimist. Afro-pessimists are those people who have given up on Africa, who say Africa is a lost cause, a wasted continent. But Afro-optimists are those people who believe in African development, that Africa can be developed with the efforts of the African people. This is what I believe in. More importantly, we need to address the issue of infrastructure development in the continent, that will make it easier for African countries to trade with each other.
Joseph Witheka, ngilivote vilingi wa Mauvo, Butongoi TV.
Nake mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka wokosa mwana wa mutongoi mweu tina wa Raila kuthi AU na indi uni kuatiania na mutongoi wa chama cha DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa ulawa mukathi ya Kalonzo na kuiweta kana ni wailite kwithi wa mutongoi wa yulu muno na indi Wamalwa asia kana ivinda ya katiba ka Kenya kambiye kana ivindani la katiba ka Kenya kambiye kutumika ivengelesio ndesi ivikie kwithi wa iati wa Kalonzo asia kana nukukwata mbau Raila kuthi AU na kukosekana kwake State House muthenyani wa munthi chathini cha kwambia kukunia Raila maleve ni kuonania kana muungamo wake wa ulei ni wende kwithi wa yungama nilivyotiumba nituniwe Ben Musa.
Are going to be launching the Raila Odinga for AUC chairmanship.
Itina wandongo ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga kwambisa savali ya kukitia kivila cha mwene kivila wangwara ni osia ndisi ya Afrika AU kwe umundi.
Anguka nayo. Okay, tutaanguka nayo.
Yuyundongo ya chama cha DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa weta vajidha na yanya ya utongo indini wangwata ni ya ulei ni kuidha Kalonzo Musyoka niwe ukuidha choselela.
In Azimio there will be no vacuum. We are several parties constituent parties of Azimio. And we've been very blessed to have very serious leadership in our coalition. Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga was the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya. And we believe he should have been the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya if Chebukati didn't do what he did. As he leaves, the next ranking member of the leadership of our coalition is the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who was the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. So as we stand before the nation, it's a case of the first amongst equals. And we have, by consensus, and I believe many of us who are in this coalition have all consented to him taking over the leadership of our coalition.
The Azimio coalition remains steadfast with a firm commitment and shared objectives of addressing the issues of concern to our people. We continue to advance the people's agenda for the socio-economic and political transformation and always build on the foundations laid by our leader.
Kalonzo Musyoka na ulota na vikacha dhini kita kumutanga Raila Odinga tamukite iwa kivila ki na kilata atua iwa vomani ya musumbi musini wa ilobi eweta kwe makovika kwake ni wana ni waka na ni wamutongo iwa ulei kumayuyu kuende ya.
Because we want to show there is an official position in this country. Maybe we would not have had sufficient time like we have had today if I just went to State House. And remember, some of us have issues. Remember when I said it was very difficult for me to get to KICC that time when the IBC Amendment Act was being signed, all right? Whatever, okay? And I said, if it was State House, it would have been very difficult. We are with the majority of our people who expect that this administration will be kept on its feet. In fact, they will see opposition that they have never seen before. I can tell you that. And so it will be a team, a case of first among equals. And as you can see, this team is growing. It may be thin on the floor of the House. And remember, we talked about state capture, even of Parliament. We are aware of that. But even if 30, 20, 10 members of Parliament remain faithful to this document with regard to holding the government accountable, believe you me, they'll be representing the great majority of the Kenyan people.
Kuisila uneni wo kwe nyombasi ya mauvo, Azimio ni yawe tata kukwata mbau Raila Odinga kukitia mwanya oyo, maimo kadhi hata mutongo iwa kwe yumia, na mena wiki hivyo nake wakutongo isia EU na kuweta muo umwe ovamana maendeyo.
Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party wishes our esteemed leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the best of luck as he prepares to actively engage in the campaign for the African Union Commission, AUC chairmanship. We make this announcement in recognition of Raila Odinga's vast experience in political leadership, dedication to Pan-African ideals, proven track record in conflict resolution, international recognition, and diplomatic acumen, coupled with his unwavering commitment to the development and unity of our continent. As a coalition, we believe that the Right Honorable Odinga's leadership and vision will greatly contribute to the future of the African Union and the broader goals of peace, stability, and prosperity across Africa. Indeed, we are donating to Africa and the world our best and most renowned leader.
As it goes to Addis Ababa, kwa baba, we want to wish him well. As we remain behind, we will do that which he would have done if he was still actively participating in politics in Kenya.
What is the question?
Vilingi wa Mavomo Tongo TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosau.
Imwe cia ndongo itamani cha Wiper sub-kauntini ya Changamwe kauntini ya Mombasa ni cia mwenda mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo wa Musyoka yukuungamana mwenendi na kutongosia atawe mutongoi ngalikoni ya Ulei na kuyumbanisya kukitia kivila cha Usumbi mwakani wa 2027. Ndongo iyu ni cia wetakana ni kuungamana Kalonzo kuikithia kanani mambe cia kumukunia maleve isio ni kivathukanio makuyumbanisya usakwani munene wa mwaka 2027. Livoti umanitu niwe Angelina Musee kuma kauntini ya Mombasa.
Good morning.
Ndongo ini kuwetakana itina wa imwe cia ndongo ikuma chamani cha ODM na kila kindhini wa murengo wa Azimio kusakuwa kulika ndhini wa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Tama minister ni wana niwaka na yu Raila Odinga alikile serikali ni tene na kutia ndongo ile ingengaliko ya Ulei.
Ando nimeze ala memedho endia. Nimeze kana ODM ni endie oda Kenya Kwanza. Kwa sababu ambao tuka chairman wa party na minority na party deputies nimolika katika serikali no kithia chama kinalika ita mama nie na ndo mikola na okola wote wene yu baindia tayari opposition leader ni Kalonzo Laila malikile serikali ni na mekaleku
Ima kuwetakana hivyo inavatoa mutungu wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kuyumbania kuthukuma eweka na kuungama ivindi ya mwongo kukosa utongoi wa President William Ruto kavindani kala wathi nae ovamana kuyumbania kukitia kivila cha president usakwani ni wa mwaka wa 2027.
Teko mwenende eweka mpaka mwisho nondo kitindo chake na Laila oyuni kiathukie Laila ndamuboya mneza Lila no moyi wake. Kou ndwenda kwa moyi kota mwachi. Umina na moyi ngano kikokota. Kalonzo nathi mpaka mwisho. Nondo andu athukumana mo mekila aibu na mayonga katika msimamo wo. Wanonga mpaka mwisho. Nondo ayotano watermelon. Yu Lila no watermelon. Kalonzo no mutongoi. Nathi mpaka mwisho.
Wanawiyovo itino President William Ruto kwi muthu kutangasikana serikali ya Kenya ni kwithio yungama itino wa Raila Odinga thini wa kwicha kivile cha umwene kivilo wa AUU. Ndongo ini cia watakana ni makuungama itino wa Kalonzo na ula watangasakana yuniwe ukwithio ayosa mwanya wa mutongo wa ngaliko ya Ulei.
Nondo kauni ukite 2027 bala Kalonzo wa Musyoka ula the official opposition leader Kenya ula ungamite na mwenenzi ula ungamite na Gen Z kutetea masilai ma mwananchi wa Kenya. Kwou nitweze approval ratings ya Kalonzo siolo na tuenda tambaye twambe okwatana nikenda tutwike ambassadors kula kuimba inge sionze nikwithia tuenda mbai sionze ze kuthia sienzeni wa Kalonzo. Ngema wamekuja, Waluya wameingia na tunataka kila mtu akuwa ako ndani.
Wanawiyovo ni mamueta mutongo yu tautoete kukitia kivila cha president tina wake kwithiwa ethito mustali ni wambe kumokitia ene nthima Kenya vala mawetekana yuni waile umile na kuambisya kampeni sia kukitia kivila ki maiwetekana ni makuvikia kuumbania mbai sionthe ni kana mavikie kumukwata mbau ni kana avikie kuovosya nthi ya Kenya maunduni maki utongoi.
Na tuina wasiwasi kana His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka akasinda na more than 60% 2027. Kwa tukulia Mheshimiwa Kalonzo na timu yake mumile matena wia na me launch presidential campaign sia Kalonzo wa Musyoka sia 2027 nikwithwa ithwe taenenze twi tayari kusukuma na twetetea sera sia Kalonzo ila tuonete ungamite na mwananchi. Kwa twe na imani na kiongozi witu na nitukwenda akwatie sera isu siake sia kuokoa Kenya nikwithwa bala Kenya yende yana muno kabisa.
Ilivotea vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Musee.
Tuisongana mbena ke muyumbe wa kiliombunge cha Kangundo Fabian Muli ni wenda atongo ikuma ukamba mamandhenzi ya ingesia kwa ili elembeta ya ukamba na kuveta uteti ulawithi tuvo iweta kana meama atongo ikana ndongo ya chama cha Wiper kukitia kivila cha Usumbi iweyumansia mudhiana indi Fabian na elesia kana matambia alame dhitwe ni mandongo ya chama cha ODM makuhusianisya na mbaya mokamba itia wana itina ivindani lawa vikia kuthio ikusianisya na serikali okila ivinda ona itina wa kumukwata mbau Raila Odinga mundu Kalonzo Musyoka na ni ivinda yi Raila ukulika utetini wa ndini wa Africa Union Commission ti undu wa kutani wani ilembeta ya ukamba kana ti ibuso ya ndongo ya chama cha Wiper kukitia kivila cha president anena ke skuluni wa musingi wa Kangundo DEB vala etambukite kuvingwa nyumba ya masomo ma ukunikilika na science lab liwati umanituniwe Boni Motese.
Mujumbe Fabian Muli watakana vevo ilumba ya mukamba evendwe maundu mautongo inthini wakuni wa kura na kuosa mauloto mwelu enenganengale kanyono lo withito usoni ndongo ya uleyo na kwithwa ithe wangale kone ya uleyo etinoso kwani asioka silikalini.
Nitu nindi twithe na way out. Titona kwitha titidate ika kindu undu tika akelevina. Nongi na tikwata na hivi onthe. Tuke na agenda tuliche mwika witu silikalini. Tumalicho tongo ini. Tumaliche programu ini sionde ila siende. Na muno kila chasa ni sio kamba kula mbingi takuna kio nikitha kusienda kwa galikwera ya lusi na mino lusi idia kamba tito na coalition na our former prime minister Raila Amolo Odinga na ningina our leaders mambe ya embrace undu Raila Odongo yasia ando maili
oingi ya iweta kana ndongo yeno Raila Amolo Odinga ni wakusise maendeleo ngalekoni ya kwake ona kwithwa teslikalini ona yuende na ukitia kivila changu watani ya EU vaino kivothuka nyono mwe kana dhambo kwa ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na ndongo ikuma ukamba kwa tanisi umbaniti kuita kivila cha president tiundo tonya kutongo esia kana kutethia mbaye no kwayu
ile vinda wathi masina lawa sindini na Kibaki Raila arusi aendio alikabala be Kibaki Raila lono kiazina na Uhuru anathiu alikabala be Uhuru na development ya Nyanza ya na development a lot you it thiwe Azimio termina election ona jenze itokite baba ya bangi jondu kulishandu mo serikali ni makwate position ndasie maana tunenga na example badi tinaina ke bungeni badi ketha nuna mkule setha baba niwe president ukwata chance ya kwitha treasury minister ndakwata. But when the chance has come, people need to take it not for their own benefit, but the benefit of the community. Kwa uni wetu kwa sekana, nundu yu baba o mundi State House. Na State House, aende na kunewa mando ya African Union. What about utindo yutuya wetia president? Last election, tukita election yeti nethiu. Raila joinu Uhuru ambia acha ni leader opposition na wetia president. Mbona tunaya itia? This is now coming. Raila alikasi likalini. Wambia odhano kangutu ya wetia president. Abigei 2027. Nduke dhapo? Ya, kwa kiuni choki kitu cha kamba na ke mukamba nundu atongo ini momi ziengo umingo na mwima atongo yangi na kiyata kili
oingi ile siaga na kutetea maundu ma maendeleo silikalini no kana moke kwimba ya mukamba kwithitwa na umu mwingi na vewa ilumba ino etungiania vinya wayo ngalekoni mwe na kutongweza nyana na kutana kimbai
na nitisikana kukamba atongo yamo maitu mabanga ila makosa ni makatongo esia ando maitu methe silikalini lakini undu bailie ketha maika akwata kwa kambo ketha ute serikali nevinda na ni mwise mwali ka serikali be main road tu negotiate ya Mwara road sio tu adhiku negotiate iwe inywe akamba share bado ni nini mwasia bado ni mweka mwitha more position when is the time people realize that the government of the day no may be attacks na no ni nditha baba sia ni mesani ya kujani kwa uni kulia atongo mo kamba kima kimwethiwe nacho cia kuima ciana citu ekana inacho na muithimu nengoshi na serikali umanengoshi itima wea alange mazoso eka igutinda muyasi ya Kenya ti tribal the politics of this country is tribal by secret eka ibuta muyasi aitwa thibu kida ta tribal umunde tutono usubject generation ya today thina nundu ya ciandwendo na ka tribal kwani kwa bendo na itu tuko na akula hata akamba maingi mana kunekula matie Kalonzo nundu tribal zadio mizi akunekula siatie Raila nundu chao ni tribal Central Kenya no mana embrace a different nundu wakwitha kana but it is already a tribal nundu ndema akunie bantu bamwe so ndona asia nini kalanza ni oposi ngina langa atwika musu no ketha ka yaise ndoka atwika kwa wemanisha tailite kalabungi na iloka kwata
nino zoingi no endekethia voto wakwenena na kwata mbogi somo cha CBC kila kikelo no cha kuna manyu wengi kaundine Masaku Kangundo nyani Toboni Mutesia
Tuelekele kaunti ya Makueni. Muvea wa uima wa mwi kaunti ya Makueni ino utumia gavana Mutula Kilonzo ethi wana ivinda yumo ya kusungia makulio ma enendi yulu wa maundu ma uima wa mwi na muno muvango wa uima wa mwi wa UHC na ula uwetwa kwitha ute kuthukuma nguluvuni imwe ya mtandao wa WhatsApp enendi nimethiwe makienda serikali wa kaunti ya Makueni kwelesea niki enendi meulasimika kuthoa ndawa na sindu cia uitiku na muthenya mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni ma MCA mayenda kune walivoti mbeani unenzama ya uima wa mwi ulua uvaluku ula kusiito muveani wa uima wa mwi. Caleb Chalo ni mwandiki tomo vokuma Makueni.
Makueni ni mwa kaunti la yatambulikanite muno serikali cia mutiuko ya mbisia uvandeni wa uiti na maundu mekonyo imwe mwi ivinda ya gavana wambe Kivutha Kibwana akekia mukaso muno maundu ne mekonyo imwe mwi na kueta kadi yeta wake bwana Kea na ila yava wasilingi maana 5 no ithia mwene nthi kana muwaune kukwata uiti vatendivi kuma gavana Mutula Wasotongoi mwaka wa 2022 no neni wake wawoni wa kwikanesa na ulungalu ni wove maundu kauta meketwo muveani wo umwe takwikiwa kwa muvango wa sola sivitaleni u ulova niye kuola ndevisi ya mwaki wa stima lakini ndunesa kuita woni munini wa mwene nthi wa kwenda kukwata uiti kwa kalama ya nthi na kwa withiani oyu maundu ni mavinduku mbe kukosekana kwa ndawa na siendu ingi cia uiti na kele muvango wa Universal Healthcare ula kwa oyu tambaikite no ni ulotumie mitandao ni Governor Mutula Kilonzo Jr na minister wake wa muvea uiti Dr. Musila Masio ele muveani wa uiti Dr. Steve Harvey Mulei na Dr. Steven Ndolo akivuelana na makulio maito kiatianisio kuma kwi enendi nguluvu nemwe ya WhatsApp. Gavana Mutula ni wetekilikana vena thina wa uiti Makueni mbe akielesekana muvea umwe withe tokitumie lungu ya miongo na yoluwa yana ya budget kuona omesale kitumie lungu ya miongo 5 yoluwa yana yoluwe kulo ya mama maofisa ma sivitale kutwaisya biasala sio thosia wandawa makuve na sivitale nene ngelekanyo neva wote Mutula ni wetekilikana kene kithetwe kiyendeya awauma kitumwa ndawa ndukane na sio thosia wandawa. Dr. Steve Harvey Mulei ulani avisa munene kana chief officer vamuna munane Dr. Steven Ndolo makeyumilia kutetea muvango wa Universal Healthcare mbe makielesya kana kadi ya uiti ni kuthukuma ateo yevwangili umwe uvathukana na vautene na vala mwene nthi waivasilingi maana 5 kwa mwaka na kukwata uiti gitumi cha kuvanda kwa kadi inu mbene kuvitukithwa kwa veyu ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni etina weseso ya wasanya wa mawoni ila yetheiwe gavana Mutula atanamba kuoselelo tongoi.
And that way we will not
kavindani o kaumbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni na mwema MCA makikwata mwaki yuluwa muvango wa Universal Healthcare.
Statement from the Chairperson Committee on Health Services regarding the operations of Makueni County Referral Hospital. In July 2024, Makueni County launched the Makueni County Integrated Health Management System, Afya Makueni, which is a digital health management information system which was aimed at replacing the outdated manual and inefficient processes in health facilities in the county.
Yumwani kethelu minista muveane wa uiti Dr. Musila akenengwe lungu ya methena muonza ila yuyukite na kuthela konengana livoti mbailu yulu wothoa wa ndawa masivitalini etino wa kwithe wa mbene anenganite kitumi kinene cha kuselewa kwa kuthoa ndawa ni kwa makweke wa sahihi kwetha ngu ya cabinet paper sahihi ula witikela CSSO ya procurement.
You cannot tell a patient the governor delayed in signing approval of the purchase of drugs. Yet we approve the budget. We need to know when we expect the next batch of drugs. Whether money is there or not, failing to plan is planning to fail. And that's why you find a slight gap makes people to write a cabinet paper because there was no planning.
Yumwene nthini wetele kuona kana maundu ni mauvinduka kavindane ka budget na vitukithiwe na budget ya mauteyo kana supplementary budget ithengeye kuvitukithiwa. Caleb Chalo, Mutongoi TV, Vilingi wa Maovo.
Nende livoti isu yethi witu swandeni wa uthiumo witu wa mbe itusogatheti na mavwange tukathiwasa.
Tene, uyaila isi kuona usi mungalu. andu mabanda makesa uketha mbua yokuo kwa wingi
ni maundu mebala tutonya kwika twakwata kiu cha kwimambo
pe maundu maingi wambe ula wila isi pe tutila twenza wa moko
maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimi na mbua imwe kasila katwosete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuikaile u ithimba ya imi
thina yuva withane ku-establish kana ciambo kwata lakini ona cia kwata yu ukaokethia ni ciatwa miiba sana kuma kwina thina muno
bumango ni cio ndu ndinzo ni fiber ni ndinzo ila uye ni mbali cio na ni moyo muno yembe yake itawa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wile ukethia wala ni mwene weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple niweza maingi no thina moyo
ithi ala twikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda ilobia yoe twetele ibinda ya ile kana twithike ndinwa wimi wa kiomonde tukuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutacho nda bandu baimwe munyo
no kwata at least lump sum ukethia weze kana kiucha thina mana monza kana chedi na mana tatu en
kimo without no tata mbesa na
list ni mana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho
lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo wiani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usisa ciendu ciakwa etha ni ng'ombe inengiwe liu nesa iya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndatika miongo ena cia wiyo winake Steven Mwema pa Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Kambuni yitu ya Rhino Mabati ivalukitie thoa kuvalucha kwa mavati maitu onthe tani ofa yitu yimwanya kuma factory ya mavati onthe ma tile profile ta Jamania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii style, Box Jamii tile, corrugated na Roman Jamii tile gauge 28 mate alama thoa mavalukite kuma silingi mana na miongweli nginya silingi mana mwonzo na miongo na itano kwa mita imwe gauge 30 mate kwa silingi mana thandatu na miongo nyanya oju ni silingi mana thandatu miongweli na itano kwa mita na gauge 30 glossy box na corrugated kuvaluka kuma kwa silingi manata na miongo monza na itano oju ni manana miongo kenda na kenda wenda mbesa siaku ikae mana tambu inzao tuthokea umunthe utanie ofa situ otundu Mukamba wise ui na umanyi wongeleka na miaka na nzao nguyu ukitana lelo maunduni maukita va Rhino Mabati twithito tuisovya mavati kwa miaka mingi na tojaisa ukuna siendu nai tuthokea kwa industry yitu ya Rhino Mabati ila yikitengela town lelo ni wana Manga Road kana utukunie simu kwisila nambani 0729628199 kana 0740229609 kwiki ya oda yaku nduketekele kuvitwa ni ofa ino ya nusu mwaka. Rhino Mabati mavati maito tusuvie situ. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Kumandhi ya Kenya kwata katiba kiuka ngitili na ikumi valam twanena na somi na ndongo iva kaunti ya Ketuiko kwenye udhukumi wa katiba na wadhasi wako vandhi ya Kenya kwa ilungu isu ya miaka 14 enendi meweto kwithia kwa namba nene matesi muno maundu ala mendhini wa katiba kila kimakonete maudhukumi ala kanengarite kwi serikali sieli ivola nene ila sia kaunti na kianda cha tongo ivola asomi maweta kana vena yanya inene kati wa enendi na umanyi wa katiba na serikali ni ele kunengane mauvundisi kwi enendi no kana kumanya katiba
katiba kaituka Kenya kala twa kwati 2010 kenda kwa address number 1 historical injustices na governance issues kana maundu motongoi na maundu ala mai mathuku mekititine katiba kala twatwana ni kala twa inherit kana kala twa kwati kuma kwa mkoloni na nikekitwe a lot of amendments but where they are si kwa address historical injustices na governance issue. So that is number one, tuambie kwa na push for a new constitution ile tumekuatie 2010. So wasisia katiba ka Kenya nikaenda kuete decentralization, tumie powers from the national government na tusitwae katika the community level nesu ikiwe through devolution. So basically tusisia the effectiveness ya Kenyan constitution na tuasekana ni serve some of the purposes ila ya tunushwe tuita na katiba, but still for na entrances ila itanamba kubikika na katiba kala tuinako
ingini maweta kana mwene ndi kulea kumanya kila kindini wa katiba ne kutumitwa yika mavitio epindane yo nyuvani na muno kunyuva atongo imatabikite metatatalele nengani ndeni wa katiba na kikutumwa materia no thukumi mwailum
tumikila katiba ka tuina kwa resistance kana kwethe yake kwitikile kana atongo ele metongo ini nunu kaenda kumya powers mbingi kula kwa tongo hii kaita kula kwa mwananza kwa maybe yabe anumone ne lakuna maybe governor no kwenda serve another 2 terms. So these are people wale mena interest ya kwasia ukwile nima kuona katiba nima nengete kiao that provision kana nima nengete udhei wa kuendea kwekala katika siasa kubetu kamiakela inenga nikaenda kwa achieve what we call accountability na transparency kana umilu wa udhukumu wa serikali na watumia mali ya mwananzi. Kwa serikali ni the people. So I think tuasise katika na siasa metu nondo maana wendi wa kuyanisia katiba kaitu. Now it is upon the citizens and Kenya kinukiambe mamba kunewe civic education mambo bundiswa katiba mama nye vipengele sia katiba mama nye katiba kaka asasiata haka nene yakiao. I want to tell you oteko omaloya na andumanini majority kana andumengi ma Kenya maisi contents na maisi kana katiba kaitu kakuite kiao kwa huko kinukiambe nikuona kana government nela mebia ya kuimplement the constitution ni maloni kwamba kwa sababu sagamba kusomea mwenenzi kumanya nikia ki katika katiba hiyo na manewe public awareness kana kwa civic education yuwe mwananchi no kwa sababu sogea kuparticipate katika kuimplement the constitution.
Minister wa mevaki na madhara serikali ni akaunti ya Kitui Phoebe Motami na la wanena kukonyo thukumu wa katiba no weta kana vena yanyu etitwe bala katiba kate ku yanisho ni NMD na ndongoi agenda mavundisho kutoiso kunenge NMD na atongo manyu wa kila kindini wa katiba.
Constitution ya Kenya ni address it matters ya gender na gender based violence ni warata kusisia maondo ala muno matumaswa maybe wesa kwethia twina gaps katika address issues ni kuwekea mkaso katika implementation sia these policies, lakini usisete katika constitution no kuona nini nenganite all those protection ko kila ndona kwasia ni nitwailite kwethia pena ila institutions governments private sectors wese kwethia policies ino ni sa implement wakana ni siatiwa.
Phoebe iweto na kwithia katiba kanenganite uthasio na kuyana NND hamama NND ni mali ya kukwata akila makwato kunona munoka wake mevai kumana na yanya ilete kuyaniswa thini wa katiba.
Situmaswa muno victims sia gender based violence sitakwata justice no isa kwithia maundu amo isa kwithia it's more towards how the cases are done tuambite katika police institution no isa kwethia due to corruption maundu amatasu isa kwethia titamana atiwa nesa ko uketha cases ino ni cia newo kabinda kakube no kwisa kwethia mundu ni wakwata justice wisa kwethia some evidences ndio isa kwethia siogithwa again andu ni makwenda kunewe education
uo ndeo yetembe unene nyakati wa serikali na NND yulwa kuelewa katiba vala ivandu vailungu ya miaka 14 yothukumu wa katiba vemo ma NND na atongoi mataisa umanya uthasi wa katiba na uthukumi wako vala somi na ndongoi kwenda mwanya usua kulea kumanya katiba uthunikiwa kwa kila mwenenthi lili vote ya vlingo movo Mutongoi TV kuma Kitui nita Onesma.
ene musiasi swili voti kuma kuya kaunti ya Kitui koneti mulenyani wa umundi ni kwavikia kwithiwa kuitani wa muthenya wa katiba ya miaka 14 la katiba keu kandi ya Kenya kavitukithiwe vaya mwakani wa 2010 vala kaunti ya Kitui kumiokulyo kwi serikali kithikanania hati ya miao yonthe nthini wa katiba kandi ya Kenya vamwe na kukathia katiba ka kwa kutethesia vanene kukitana na kawaki mivani livotwana ngilelwe niwe mwandiki wa mauvo kuma kaunti nisu ya Kitui na ulani Onesmus Chalo tuisonga na mbele tuikunikila mauvo makonetie muvea wa uima wa mwe kaunti ya Makueni nutumia gavana ndethi wana ivinda yumu ya kusungia makulio ma NND yuluwa maundu ma uima wa mwe na muno muvango wa uima wa mwe wa UHC na ula uwetwa kwithiwa ute kuthukuma nguluvuni mwe ya mutandao wa WhatsApp NND nimethiwe makienda serikali kuelesia niki NND meulasimika kuthoa ndawa na sindu cia uiti livoti yake Caleb Chalo.
Uthukumi wonthe ukonya maundu ma kiu mokoni ma magavana ateo imwe ya kambuni nene cia ungami wa kiu kaunti ya Makueni itongoiwe ni anganganya kwava kuvi ndatika miongo ili cia kwetela vate usungio maseneta ni mamulasimithia gavana Mutula Kilonzo Jr. havithwe isito ya mungami munene wa Kibwasco kambuni wa kaunti ya Makueni wa kuungamia kiu kwa Kibwezi usungio ula watia maseneta maende kwithwa mitwe.
Kibwasco matter is still pending. The WSP as a company secretary who has not been cooperative, forcing the shareholders to call for an AGM to address the matter.
Is he a law firm? Is he an individual? What is the identity of this person?
Is an individual, Chair. Please, Chair, can the engineer just give the names?
The name.
What are the names of that person?
The identity was not even disclosed in the minutes.
Ene musisiani ngwiti weke onundu wa vitukanu wa livoti isu tunainengelele yonda tikani mbudhu sinavituka kwa oyu tukunikile mauvoma koneti kikalo chanza mayambunge ya seneti ya mitumile ya Ilovia inanduni si mwana sia kaunti kana CPIC ni tatumbudhana kwa mbe wandatika miongo eliti na wagavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Jr. kudhinania na maseneta yuluwa isito ya mwandiki muungami wa kambuni wa kaunti ya Makueni wa kuungamia unyaita wa kivuko ya Kibwezi wa Kibwasco Mutula na ula embe wa CPIC kusongia makulio yuluwa mitumile ya mbesa sia kaunti miaka ya mwaka wangili ile na miongoli muvaka mwakani wangili ile miongoli na ile kukonia uungami wa kambuni sia kivuko sia kaunti ya Makueni muvea wa maundu makitha ngathi na uthukumi wa kithi cha maembe cha Kalamba ni wethi wana ivinda yumu kwinenea na kuitetea kumana na makulio momo mamwiki wa masabu yuluwa uthukumi wa sekta isi itatu. Benjamin Mwaka endini wa kikaloki bungeni ya Senate.
Who is so powerful?
The name as per CR12 is Njoroge Obadia Kimani.
What is his number? Under the county secretaries.
His CPS number is not here. Actually, that's what I was looking for, Senator Mtinda, but I can't see it here.
This is somebody who is coming out as a ghost worker and at the same time as a fraudulent person. Even the CEO had difficulties getting to know an officer of the county. So I think this is a matter which should be taken very urgently.
Maseneta meno dhatu mwingi mei na makulyo niki amwema maendekethio mo kwa kaunti ya Makueni nthino wa Kalombe tuku kwenye maundu make uma kuite vinda ya sa kuthukumithwa kuyanana na maseneta nikana gavana Mutula ndona ni chewe ndi mulumu wa kumosea matambia makimiao ofisa o.
Whatever that particular person is doing is hinged into criminal activities. I believe statements should have been written and this particular person prosecuted.
But when it became apparent that we could not remove this ourselves from the records at the company's registry, it became apparent that the county attorney then advised for a board meeting to be called for him to be formally removed for purpose.
Uthukumi wonthe ukonya maundu ma kiu mokoni ma magavana ateo imwe ya kambuni nene cia ungami wa kiu kaunti ya Makueni itongoiwe ni anganganya kwava kuvi ndatika miongo ili cia kwetela vate usungio maseneta ni mamulasimithia gavana Mutula Kilonzo Jr. havithwe isito ya mungami munene wa Kibwasco kambuni wa kaunti ya Makueni wa kuungamia kiu kwa Kibwezi usungio ula watia maseneta maende kwithwa mitwe.
Kibwasco matter is still pending. The WSP as a company secretary who has not been cooperative, forcing the shareholders to call for an AGM to address the matter.
Is he a law firm? Is he an individual? What is the identity of this person?
Is an individual, Chair. Please, Chair, can the engineer just give the names?
The name.
What are the names of that person?
The identity was not even disclosed in the minutes, but the CEO is checking his name.
Engineer. You don't know your company secretary? We'll check and provide by end of this session, Chair, please. No, Chair, we do not want to proceed without the details of that person, because the county cannot appear, or the water management, without where it has been so difficult on this person.
On searches at the company's registry, we realize that this gentleman is a company secretary of many water companies, not just Makueni alone. And for some very nefarious reasons, this gentleman has made it very difficult to hand over a substantive, there's a word that this chief officer used, hand over either passwords, entry, and become very difficult even at the company's registry to change his name.
Our concern is that who is this person who is so powerful?
The name as per CR12 is Njoroge Obadia Kimani.
What is his number? Under the county secretaries.
His CPS number is not here. Actually, that's what I was looking for, Senator Mtinda, but I can't see it here.
This is somebody who is coming out as a ghost worker and at the same time as a fraudulent person. Even the CEO had difficulties getting to know an officer of the county. So I think this is a matter which should be taken very urgently.
Maseneta meno thatu mwingi meina makulyo niki amwe mamanekethio mo kwa kaunti ya Makueni thino asieka lombetuku kwenye maundu make umakuite vinda ya sakuthukumithwa kwianana na maseneta nikana Governor Mutula ndona ni chewe ndi mulumu wa kumosea matambia makimiao ofisa
Whatever that particular person is doing is hinged into criminal activities. I believe statements should have been written and this particular person prosecuted.
But when it became apparent that we could not remove this ourselves from the records at the company's registry, it became apparent that the county attorney then advised for a board meeting to be called for him to be formally removed for purposes of presentation at the company's registry.
Governor, these minutes are for 19th August 2024, which is last week, is when the board was able to sit and have only one agenda of removing the so-called powerful secretary. Why is this just for last week, or was it just because you are appearing before this committee, you decide to do this very quickly for the sake of it?
A company secretary is supposed to be a member of the certified public secretaries. So I don't know what effort you did to report this unknown person.
We have not reported. Okay, let me speak for myself. We haven't started the process of reporting him for any misconduct because when I read these minutes last week, I realized they had not reported any form of misconduct.
Inge zamai ya CPIC ni ya mwiki ya kona ni Governor Mutula Kilonzo Jr. Kukonya nikikithi cha maembe cha Kalamba kiende ungangana na county kuungamia miyo yacho na niki vaita wonde withitwe uthikiwa ngusuni ni county na kutia kithi kiteno na ndululu.
The installation of a ready-to-drink line took longer than expected, affecting the process of transferring ownership of all assets related to the authority.
And from the report given now, is a high time. He started having his own assets and started making business because it's supposed to be a business venture.
The company makes money and then it is spent in the executive. Assets have not been transferred from the county government to the authority. So I think asset transfers should be done and the amounts that are made by this company should actually not be transferred to the county government.
Legislation is there, but the officers, the executives like you don't seem to focus on adhering to what the Act clearly states.
Where there's no any active act cushioning or rather separating that entity from taking money to the CRF, it is automatically then becomes a default that money must go to the CRF. Which in this case, there is no any act that I've read here that says that you must keep the money.
Kuyanana na mwiki munene wa masavu ni kana kithike kinoasyo asilingi milioni 59 na nzamai asipik ni okile makulyo maito kuonya undu ilovia singevito usya mwenye nthi ivikie tena kwa.
The auditor, you confirmed that the loss was 59 million. True or false?
True.
Thank you. And that's why I was following that procedure to get to know, are these people still within the authority, the company, the fruit company?
We have a new board, we have a new CEO, we have a new finance person.
Is that the reason maybe you fired them because of the 59 million loss? Or why? What happened? What brought about the 59 million loss?
I didn't find them actually.
But are you aware of the loss?
Yes, I'm aware of the loss.
So my curiosity was what triggered this? Because this loss is so huge.
So the difference between the amount budgeted to buy the puree and the amount paid to farmers for their mangoes and the sale of that puree is what resulted in the losses.
Vilingwa mavu kumava musini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin na Mwakam.
Nende livotisi yake Benjamin Mwaka ni yotu hidhi watu imini kulilia na yovilingi wa mauvoki huyo ni cha umundi kwa YouTube mwendoni wa saa ina itilikite ndatika 19 muvei mwana kwa lama kwa tienena kwa ndini wa mesa ito ya mauvoki huyo ni cha umundi kumavalani ni kuendea withio na kiwio cha kwa ila ula unengelelia mauvoki kwa nsia meko ni Teresia Mwende Tiwanesa.